Hey there, welcome to today's video. So, imagine this scenario. You and a friend share an email for Apple-related stuff, and suddenly you start noticing some weird behavior on your devices. You're not trying to snoop around, and neither is your friend. So what's going on here? Well, it sounds like we got a problem to solve. So, the solution to this mystery behavior is Apple's Handoff feature. Basically, it's trying to be helpful by suggesting your activities on one device to make it easier to continue on another. Handy, right? However, if you're not a fan of this sharing vibe, you can simply turn it off in your device settings. Or, to avoid any confusion in the future, just make sure not to use the same Apple ID on devices that will be used by different people. Problem solved. In summary, if you're experiencing unexpected suggestions and a disappearing dock on your MacBook, it's probably just Apple's Handoff feature at play. You can easily disable it in your settings or opt for separate Apple IDs on shared devices to maintain privacy. And with that, we've cracked the case. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe, like, and leave a comment below with your thoughts. See you next time.